Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a lettermark or monogram logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, here we are in Illustrator. First, we need to create a monogram for the logo. Go to the pen tool and create a stroke like this. Now go to the direct selection tool and set the strokes. Go to the stroke and set the stroke size to 60 pixels. Again, go to the pen tool and create a stroke like this. Now go to the direct selection tool. Set the strokes, and arrange the stroke shapes. Go to the direct selection tool and round the strokes, like this. Then go to the object, expand, and hit OK. Go to the rectangle and make a shape like this. Select both shapes, then go to the shape builder tool and minimize the rectangle, like this. Now, go to the pen tool and make a stroke like this. Set the stroke width to 60 pixels. Then go to the object, expand, and hit OK. Now go to the direct selection tool and look around all the corners, like this. Now adjust the logo. Select the logo, and make it small. Now our logo is ready. Now create the company name with the logo. Select the logo, hold Alt, and drag the logo. Make a copy of the logo. Go to the rectangle and make a rectangle. Now go to the direct selection tool and look around the corners, like this. Select both shapes and align them into the center. Go to the text tool and type the company name. Scale the logo name. Goyle Technology Department. Now go to the character panel and change the font. I am choosing this Gilroy Extra Bold font. Set the font size and kerning according to your preferences. Now our logo name is ready. Now we need to present our logo in different colors or mock-ups. Go to the rectangle and make a white rectangle. Now select the logo. Hold Alt and drag the logo. Put it on top of the white rectangle and change the color to black. Now select both the logo and rectangle and make a copy of them. Now change the rectangle color, which is our brand color, to an orange. Select the logo and change this color from black to white. Go to the artboard tool and minimize the artboard. Now we need to add a mock-up. Select the rectangle and make a copy of it. Now we need a mock-up. I already created this to save your time. Just drag here. Select the mock-up and make it smaller. Select the rectangle, put it in front of the mock-up. Select both, right-click, and make a clipping mask. Double-click to arrange the mock-up, like this. Now make some app icons. First, go to the artboard tool, hold Alt, and drag it to make a copy of it. Clear the artboard. Now select the logo and make a copy of it. Go to the rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Adjust the logo to the rectangle. Now make a copy of this. Now select the logo and put it on top of the rectangle. Select the rectangle, change the color to white, and change the logo color to black. Select both and make a copy of it. Select the rectangle, change the color to orange, and change the logo color to white. Again, make a copy of it. Arrange all the icons. Select the rectangle, go to the gradient panel, and choose this yellow and orange gradient. Now go to the gradient tool and set the gradients like this. Go to the artboard tool and minimize the artboard. Now present our logo with images. First, we need images. I already downloaded all the images to save your time. Just drag the image here like this. Now go to the rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Set the opacity to 40%. Select the logo and drag it into the top of the image like this. Now go to the artboard tool and make a new artboard. Clean artboard. Select the image and drag it into the artboard. Minimize the artboard according to the image. Now we need more images to present our logo. Just drag the image here. Select the image, then go to the rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Set the opacity to 40%. Select the logo and drag it into the top of the image like this. Repeat the process with the other images. Now adjust the artboards and logo presentation according to your preference. You can create more presentations or mock-ups if you like. Here we are done. Amazing lettermark or monogram logo design in Adobe Illustrator.